With an exciting career in travel and tourism, the whole world awaits you. If you're keen to travel, meet new people and explore, then Coleg Gwent is a fantastic place to begin your career in travel and tourism. The industry is one of the most popular and is responsible for more than 10% of global employment. Our courses aim to prepare you for a career in the industry and increase your employability. You'll develop customer service skills, learn about UK, European and worldwide destination, as well as how to market and sell those products. You'll gain an understanding of how to create package holidays and create an itinerary of attractions for your customer. You'll be assessed through portfolio work, coursework, projects, group work and presentations. You'll also get the chance to attend some exciting educational visits. Previous students have gone on to work as hotel managers, holiday reps, cabin crew and travel agents, to name a few. So whether you're enthusiastic about Europe, crazy about cruising or inspired by international travel, then Coleg Gwent is the place for you. To find out more about travel and tourism courses, browse our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.